Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful and impressive AI face swapping tool that lets you swap faces in both images and videos in just a few clicks, without any manual editing at all. Sounds incredible, right? This advanced face swap tool is called Vidmage AI. I've included the official website link in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Once you visit the website, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface like the one you're seeing here. To get started, click on Swap Face Now. After that, an interface like this will open. Here, you will find multiple face swapping options, including Photo Face Swap, Video Face Swap, and Multiple Face Swap Photo, if you want to swap more than one face in a single image. Additionally, the Multiple Face Swap Video option allows you to swap faces of multiple people in a video, which is quite impressive. Let's get started. First, I'll show you how to perform a photo face swap. For this, simply click on Photo Face Swap. Next, upload your image in the Upload Original Image with a Face section. For this demonstration, I'll upload an image of this man. After that, upload the second image, the one you want to swap the face with. I'll be using this lady's image as an example. Once both images are uploaded, simply click on Swap Face. Within a few seconds, the processed image will be ready. As you can see, the result is now complete. Let me show you the before and after comparison. The face swap has been generated with impressive accuracy, maintaining excellent facial consistency while perfectly preserving the original background and overall appearance. Now let's move on to the video face swap feature. After selecting the video face swap option, upload your video. The interface is extremely user-friendly, making it ideal even for beginners. Once the video is uploaded, add the image you want to use for the face swap. Again, I'll use the same lady's image. After uploading the image, click on Swap Face, and after a brief processing time, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video is now complete. Let me play it for you.
Today, AI is everywhere. In our phones, laptops, cars, and social media. AI helps us search faster, write better, edit photos, and save time. It makes work easier and smarter.
The result shows outstanding consistency, with natural facial blending, accurate body movements, and the original background perfectly intact. The video quality remains excellent, with no noticeable loss in resolution or clarity. Alright, now let's take a look at the Multiple Face Swap Photo feature and see how it works. With the Multiple Face Swap feature, you can easily replace the faces of multiple people within a single image. To begin, click on Upload Image and upload your main image. In this example, I'm uploading an image of two boys. Once the image is uploaded, you'll need to upload two separate reference images. These will be the faces you want to swap onto the original image. For the first reference image, I'll upload an image of an old man, and for the second reference image, I'll use another image of this old man. After uploading both reference images, simply click on Face Swap. Within a few seconds, the face swapped image will be ready. As you can see, the results are highly accurate. Let me show you the before and after comparison. Both boys' faces have been perfectly replaced with the old man's face. The quality and precision are truly impressive. Now let's move on to Multiple Face Swap for videos. First, upload your video. I'll use a video featuring the same two boys. Once the video is uploaded, add a reference image of the character whose face you want to swap into the video. Here again, I'll use the old man image. After uploading the image, click on Face Swap and wait for a few moments. As you can see, the video is now ready. Let me play it for you. The face swap looks seamless and natural. This feature allows you to insert yourself or any other character into a video with ease. Pretty amazing, right? Now let me quickly walk you through some additional tools available in Vidmage. From the top menu, you can explore a wide range of powerful features. In the Face Swap section, you'll find several advanced tools that are definitely worth trying. The AI video section includes new and innovative video tools that can be extremely useful for content creators. In the AI image section, you can access tools such as Image Upscaler, Object Remover, and AI Clothes Changer. Additionally, the Mac exclusive section offers features like Live Face Swap, facial feature swap, and face swap for Mac. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I make sure to reply to everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss more amazing AI tool tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.